Hi, my name is Toni Dennis. I'm a board-certified otolaryngologist, or ENT for short, which stands for ear, nose, and throat surgeon. I chose to go into ENT because of the anatomy. I enjoy the head and neck anatomy. It's intricate, it's detailed, it kind of matches my personality. My favorite and most rewarding aspect of my job is seeing patients get better. I enjoy managing their care, I enjoy listening to my patients, and the most rewarding part is actually seeing them do better. My favorite hobby outside of work is going to the beach. I enjoy family time on the beach. I can relax there. I feel like I leave all of my issues or problems or worries at home and just enjoy the sunshine and the water. A hidden talent or skills. I enjoy playing my saxophone. Throughout college and high school, I played the saxophone. I've had the opportunity to play in the Jazz Fest in New Orleans, and now my daughter is learning the saxophone. So I'm having a grand time just working with her and playing the saxophone with her. It's a lot of fun. My favorite way to relax after a long day is actually cooking. I just enjoy getting in the kitchen. I turn my cast iron up 500 degrees and just kind of either do a steak or something on the grill. But I enjoy cooking. What's one thing that can instantly make my day better? Seeing my family. Seeing my kids, their smile. They don't know what kind of day I've had. They're always happy to see me, and that can put a smile on my face at any point, from my children and also my wife. Just having a good time.